Hello, compliments to the new year, Bafetu. I was away for some reasons, but now I am back. So I'll be reviewing Genesis here, Bafetu. As you can see, Lapana is somebody, Bafetu. Bonko is losing his melodies. He's losing his keys. He's trying to make an instrument because he's a producer by Genesis. But he can't because he's focused and he's distracted by Umaruna no Oetu. Yabo, because they have been having cat fights regarding Ubonko and Bonko getting married. So obviously Maruna uphazamisile ke umcimbi that was supposed to happen laphana kwahlophe kubuka owethu ukuthi officially Ubonko is going to marry owethu, but that didn't happen. So the guy is pretty much stressed. On the other side, Ishmael was questioned lapha Genesis by uSisithandi regarding the vixen of the music video yakhe gospel. But unfortunately Ishmael did not deny ukuthi he is dating uNobuhle. So Unobuhle wanted Ishmael to deny in order for them not to get into trouble, because remember uNobuhle is the PR manager lapha Genesis. So Ishmael was supposed to deny that these guys are dating in order to save their aura, in order to save isithunzi sabo. We understand that it's because uNobuhle feels as if things are gonna get more worse. Uyabona ngoba kwi-company yakubo, and uSisithandi obviously is strict yabo, uhamba ngemithetho yeGenesis la muntu lana. So Ishmael is disappointed ukuthi bekumele aphike kanjani, because he is approving his relationship and he is happy with people having to acknowledge that he is dating uNobuhle. So there's some disagreement between the two. So on the other side, the young couple meets, yabo. But when they meet, they speak, and Oetuge is always worried and stressed about his side chick, as she calls it, side chick, Umaruna Ubonko. That's actually blocking them to get married. That's actually blocking them to be the couple that they wanna be. So Ubonko always has a plan. Shela Oetu umkakhe ukuthi there is another plan that will shut Umaruna out that he will do. So I'm asking myself ukuthi he plan, because I can't wait to actually witness the plan. On the other side, Uwendi is actually convincing Maruna to carry on. She is convincing Maruna to carry on fighting for her marriage, because according to Maruna, she is saying ukuthi yena, she is still married to Ubonko, yabo, and Ubonko has not signed for a divorce. So Wendy actually is convincing Maruna ukuthi aqhubeke alwele umshado wakhe. You understand? And Uncle Zakaria on the other side is listening to everything that they are saying on the background, yabo. And I'm wondering who's Zakaria why lalele, because these guys are actually hungry for money. And on the other side, Ubonko meets up with his stepfather Sake Gabriel Gigaba. So when they meet up, it's never a good meeting when these guys meet up. So Gabriel ufigile lapana, and obviously there was some drama that happened lapana kashope, because the Sedibings came to actually distract everything that happened lapana. So Gabriel, my figure, he's telling Ubonko ukuthi he has some advice for him. Ukuthi akate off abantu bakaSedibeng, because those people are actually out there for money and they are causing drama non-stop. And manje Ubonko doesn't want to take any advice that this guy is trying to tell him. And I'm not surprised, because these guys haven't been in good terms ever since Ukigaba left the house. So we are sure Ubonko ukuthi he'll never take advice ka Kigaba, because Ukigaba is the same person that had a child with Umaruna. So how is he taking advice about from his stepfather, I can say, which was the father of his former lover, which is Umaruna? I don't know if it makes sense, but I understand how Bonko is feeling right now. On the other side, a revelation is Yawage Bafet. Umsizi is composing a song with these guys. I don't know these guys is yet, because the group. But you can see Umsizi is happy lapana. He's having a studio session with these guys, and everything is just going according. Yabona, everything is coming together lapana revelation. So everything is just yabona going according. So everything is just going accordingly. Sorry guys. Let's hope ukuthi revelation is still vela hits. So on the other side, Ishmael went to vent to his best friend uMafitotso, Usifiso. So when he is venting to Usifiso, he tells Usifiso ukuthi when he went to Genesis, he actually told the truth to Uthandi ukuthi he is actually dating uNobuhle. Manje uMafitoto, I don't think he's actually approving this whole thing, because he's actually relating to Nobuhle, saying that he would have been angry too. He would have felt the same way as Nobuhle that felt, because Nobuhle was actually angry that Ishmael went there to actually approve the relationship, of which was something he shouldn't have done at the first place, because that's gonna save their aura, and saving their aura is gonna be the biggest thing. On the other side, they receive a phone call. This phone call is mostly basically about the music video that they shot. So it's good news from the directors of the music video to tell them that the music video is actually out. So they must come and actually showcase the launch of the music video, because the music video is finally released, or is finally being released by the people who actually shot them at Genesis. So on the other side, uZakaria is telling usiswakhe uWendy ukuthi they must go to the to Felicia's family, to actually beg for some money and convince them, be humble to them and beg for some money. The Tabete family, to be more specific. So Wendy doesn't actually feel this suggestion that Zakaria is telling her, because she doesn't want Felicia eduze kwakhe, because Felicia and Wendy aren't on good terms. But the only way to actually get the money is to go there and humble themselves. So Zakaria has been convincing this person and telling her ukuthi they must go there in order to fish the money, you understand? And Wendy is not actually taking the suggestion, which actually causes Zakaria to tell Wendy ukuthi you rather be a rich dog than be a broke queen. So moving forward, Bafethu, cat fight continues between Maruna and Owethu. These people are never stopping. The fight continues every day. It's like every episode with Genesis, there's always a fight. So bayahlangana-ke Bafethu lana, and Owethu amtshela ukuthi there's a ring that uBongo promised her, yabona ukuthi umthatha laphana kwifamily yakaThabethe. But Maruna doesn't seem to listen, yabona. Maruna is actually witnessing the marriage with Ithombe, you understand? Ama-afford lezo zakudala lezo-ke. But Owethu has enough evidence nge-ring on her finger and telling uMaruna ukuthi akamyeke uBongo ukuthi athandane no-Owethu, because their thing is long done. So the Sedibings arrive laphana kwaThabethe. So when they arrive kwaThabethe, they are actually coming there for a gift, and the only gift you can think of as a listener or a viewer is money, nothing else, you understand? And abakaThabethe are not really keen on taking out money, obviously, because these people actually spoiled the party. They spoiled the party by actually coming there at the Hlophes to destroy umshado, you understand? And bayasho-ke lapha ukuthi these people can kill people. They are not people to be trusted, because all they want is actually money. That's what they actually want. And on the other side, Bafethu Gabriel promised Mpumi to buy her a car, and it really happened. Bafethu Mpumi came with the car laphana kubo kaSedibeng in the Sedibeng family. As you can see in the picture, Zakaria is very happy and excited to see the car. Yabona ukuthi futhi uMpumi umshana wakhe bought a car, because Zakaria actually loves Mpumi and trusts Mpumi laphana compared to Maruna. And Wendy is very, very happy to see the car. I won't lie. Yabona, the whole family is happy to see the car. Zakaria wanted to actually go to the driver's seat and do something there. Wendy amtshela ukuthi aphume laphana. So I think they went off for a test drive, yabona, just to actually welcome the car. Yabona babonisa ukuthi uthenga imoto, but this car izofika neyinkinga le moto lena, because Mpumi is gonna start thinking ukuthi iphethe Revelation with Gabriel, but bayamsebenzisa lapha ku-Revelation. But moving on, uSifiso Bafethu Mafitoto is with the people he's surrounded with laphana kwi-community yakhe in the shacks. So uyabadonsa Bafethu laphana to a small launch, yabona, music video ka Ishmael, yabo. So as you can see Bafethu laphana, people are gathered yabona, people joyful to see a video ka-Ishmael le ephumile, because this guys got a call and weeks before they were shooting this music video. So apparently the music video is out. It's out. Yabo, so Nandi Nobuhle came through to support the guys, yabo, ukuthi bazoyichecka music video, and also to check up on them, yabona, and give credit to ukuthi obasebenzile, despite ukuthi there was a vixen that actually is destroying things between Nobuhle and Ishmael. But the good news is ngekugcineni music video igcine isiphumile. So ubonke visit to Maruna ke bafethu, and the visit seems very tense and sour. So when the meeting seems very tense and sour, it's all about money at the end of the day. As we guys know, Kasedi, they are always rooted for money. So Ubonko came to Maruna telling Maruna, name the price that you want me to pay you and your family so that they can leave Ubonko and the Tabete family Owethu for good, because Ubonko does not want anything to do with the Tabete family. So Maruna had to name a price, you understand? So when she was given a book, a price so that Bonko pays that price, Maruna wasn't serious. Maruna just wrote Bonko's name. So when Maruna returned the book to Bonko, Bonko is telling Maruna, oh, this is the price that you actually telling me about, you understand? And telling Maruna, they are long over. Maruna has to be serious, or else she regrets herself for doing what she's doing, selecting a price that unreasonable and playing games and writing Bonko's name in the book. So this is the episode of Genesis Bafeta Namhlanje. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Danko.